All right, the Magic Box. Easy to print and performable by really anyone of any age or any ability. Let me go over. These are 3D printed. This is just any object around the house that'll fit in this tube. So I'm just using a piece of string. These two pieces print separately. I hot glued them together. Really any glue, CA glue, whatever you have should work. They do print separately. This piece and this inner piece here are fuzzy skin to give it a texture so they disappear. I'll demonstrate that in a bit. This piece I did print out of PETG that's a little more transparent. You want something more opaque would be better, but just to show that it does work with even something semi-transparent or semi-opaque, that'll work. So the illusion happens because this tube, due to the black and fuzzy skin, disappears to the eye. It's very difficult to see that tube. So when you put the trick together, you're going to show the empty box, show that it's completely empty. You're going to then pull out the tube and show it's empty. And when you have an object in there, like a string, if you show it from this angle, you can't really see anything, so you're going to show the box is empty again. You're going to show the tube is empty again. I should pull it down so you can't see the string. And then, oh, don't forget the magic snap our fingers or waving of the magic wand. And then pull the object out. And then you can show, again, there's nothing there. Just make sure you're pinching inside. So you get both tubes. That's it. The Magic Box.